1, start. Just kill the other one. Alright, towards the enemy. Please make contact. Oh, big hit. Oh, brutal. Oh, I don't know how it's still moving after that. That's devastating. I forgot to go over what happens when you get stuck in the gap between the floor and the thingamajig. Oh crap, I forgot I don't remember what my stance is anymore. Well, hopefully they don't get stuck. Have we had this happen yet? Today? Okay, now I'm trying to figure out what I want the policy to be. I gotta be quick about it. I think if you stick yourself, we free you. If the other guy sticks you, we count it. Alright, that made them rush each other way more. At least for this match, unless Jose heard what I said. Okay, so decided if you stick yourself into the gap between the arena and the wall, it doesn't you get unstuck. If someone sticks you, it counts as a stick, and carry counts as you getting knocked out. Just like being propped against the wall. Yeah, but who's going to purposely drive themselves onto the thing? Okay, that's true, but I mean, they won't benefit them at all from running through the block. You got this, come on, work it. No, that's wrong. No, if he put him there, then I was going to count that as knockout. Because he would have put himself there. Well, he's got 10 seconds to knock himself, to get himself loose. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm forgetting what my policies were. And David was most of the one running this box. I'm just not fighting any bots this time. Okay, so we have 38 seconds remaining. 37 now. This has been a brutal match. We've had a great argument about whether or not stun sticks should count. Are you... No, he's not. He just drove himself.
And now we're dancing.
Well, it might just be that he's being more cautious of driving. Oh, 15 seconds remaining. 13, 12. Oh, big hit. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. And Umble's already retreated to its corner. 1, and this is over.